Okay, Professor Vaughn, this is my third lab in which I decided to use 3 different LEDs and with the push button. So it counts the push button presses and then it turns on based on the number of counts I have of button presses. And I set it for 5, 10, and 15. And you can see that here in the code. I edited it in and added them. So I have a LED pin 2 and a LED pin 3, and they're set up at 5, 10, and 15. So they're set up here. They're set up right here. And then also here, I needed to set them up. Or not here, I'm sorry. Right up here, I had to set them up. Okay, so I will start pushing the button. When I go to 1, they turn off. Well, let's see. The first one should start at 5. So we'll go to 5. And at 5, the first light turns on, which is the one that's set up to turn on right here at count of 5. So then we go for 10. And now we have the 10. It's 2 counts of 5, so it lights up, and then it's a count of 10. So then we'll go for 15. And there we go. The 15 light comes on, and so does the 5. Let's go to 20. Yeah, we're at 20 right there. Since it's a count of 5, the red light turns on, and since it's it's 15 and 5 is what it is. Let's go for 30 or 25. And the 5 light comes on because it's a count of 5. Let's go for 30. And now they all come on, because it's a count that each of them hits at 30. It's pretty cool. 35. Since neither 10 or 15 go into 35, that's why they don't turn on. And then now we're at 40, which is a count for both 5 and 10, and that's why they're on. Let's go to 45. Now we've got one. The yellow is the 15, so that means that it's a count of 15, which makes sense because 15 times 3 is 45. And then it also can have 5 count into 45, so that's what the 5 light's on. We'll go for 50. There we go. 50 is only divisible by 5 and 10, and that's why that one's on. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I think you get the point now. I'm at 55, and since 5 is the only thing that can go into that out of the other 2 numbers, that's why that one lights up. And then at 60 again, we have one that all 3 of them hit. 5, 10, and 15 all go into 60. So it's pretty cool. And that is my Lab 3. Thanks.